In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off background apps and programs on Windows 10 to stop lags and boost performance. To do so, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Privacy. In left menu pane, scroll down. Here you will find Background Apps. Click on Background Apps and you will find lots of apps running in background. You can turn off all background apps and programs by turn it off. Now all apps running in background is turned off, or you can turn off background app individually. I am turning off camera, calendar. In this way, you can turn off a specific background app as you wish. This is the easiest way to turn off background app in Windows 10 computer.